after that wonderful news about how Hyderabad should sooner rather than later become a 100% vaccinated city, let's move on. Now, dwellers in Chennai had planned down shutters for a few hours today as a token strike against the process to provide hallmarking unique ID, which is also called HUID, for every piece of jewelry. The Bureau of Indian Standards had made gold hallmarking mandatory from mid-June. One of the major challenges which is being faced by jewelers, they say that they all have to now upload, it's becoming a 6-digit HUID number, which is very, very tedious. And also they also feel that, the privacy, because you have to put all the details, then, all the privacy of the one who's buying it is also exposed. So what is this issue all about? Let me now go across to Dr. B. Govindan, who's chairman of Bhima Jewelry in Thiruvananthapuram. And also, I'm being joined by Mr. Kumar Jain, who's president of Mumba Devi Jewelers Association. So both guests are with me. Mr. Kumar Jain, namaskar, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया हूँ नमस्ते। बोलिए, आपकी आवाज बराबर नहीं आ रही है?
अभी आ रही है? अभी आ रही है? नमस्कार।
जी।
हाँ, तो बताइए, ये जो स्ट्राइक चल रही है, ये HUID लगाना जो अब अनिवार्य हो गया है, ज्वेलर्स को इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है, इसके बारे में विस्तार से बताएं।
जी, पहले तो हम शुरुआत करते हैं। सरकार ने, रामविलास पासवान जी जब हमारे मिनिस्टर थे, उन्होंने एक प्रपोजल रखा था कि हिंदुस्तान में ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री में ट्रांसपेरेंसी लाई जाए। हाँ। वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी का जरिया था हॉल मार्किंग का। जब रामविलास पासवान जी थे, उन्होंने काफी पहले, लोग इससे भी सहमत नहीं थे, क्योंकि लोग पुराने सदियों से, लोग 100 सालों से इस ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री में जुड़े हुए हैं, तो उनका सब माल गला के फिर हॉल मार्किंग वाला माल बनाना एक मुश्किल सा काम था। लेकिन फिर भी लोग सहमत हुए और किसी तरह अपना जो माल उस समय के पीरियड में था, ये 10 साल पहले की बात करो, किसी तरह गला के वो माल को वापस हॉल मार्किंग वाला माल बनवाया, जिसकी प्योरिटी सरकार ने रखी थी 14 कैरेट, 18 कैरेट और 22 कैरेट। इस 3 प्योरिटी का हॉल मार्किंग माल बनवाना था।
सर, अभी ये बताइए कि ये जो नया HUID जो है, ज्वेलर्स इसमें बोल रहे हैं कि इसमें बहुत काम बढ़ गया उनका। ये 6 डिजिट पहले अपलोड करो, और हर ज्वेलर के पास मिनिमम 10 kg सोना तो रहेगा ना, तो बहुत ज्यादा काम हो जाता है इससे आपको। ये सही है या गलत?
बिल्कुल सही है, इससे भी ज्यादा सोना रहता है। हिंदुस्तान में 4 लाख ज्वेलर्स है और 4 करोड़ लोग इस इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े हुए, कारीगरों से मिलाकर। सरकार जो HUID का नया प्रावधान लाई है, जिसके अंतर्गत मैन्युफैक्चर से लेके कंज्यूमर तक, और इसमें मैन्युफैक्चरर से होलसेलर, होलसेलर से रिटेलर, रिटेल से कंज्यूमर, हर किसी को BIS, ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड के पोर्टल पे हर डिटेल अपलोड करनी है, वजन से, पीस से, आइटम से। तो ये जो काम ये जो HUID का जो काम है, ये बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है। और हमारे इधर आने वाली कस्टमर के रूप में महिलाएं आती है, वो महिलाएं अपनी सेविंग का पैसा लेकर आती है, 25,000, 50,000 रुपए का। उस समय अगर सरकार मांगती है कि उनकी KYC या उनका आधार कार्ड आप अपलोड करो, ये उनके लिए भी मुश्किल है और हमारे लिए भी मुश्किल है।
It is also about exposing the privacy of the people, no?
Exactly. People are scared of it today. People have stopped. So many customers come, and when they saw it, we were shut down. A few of them were open also, but we were shut down. So knowingly that they were they've asked us, what is the story? So when we explained him, they ran away. They didn't wanted this to get into this, because it is their saving, and they save the money from getting their husbands, and some amount is been given to them, say 50,000 for expenditure, they save 10,000 on that. Whatever they go for buying saag bhajis, doodh ka paisa, this and that, they save on that. That saving money comes to our jewelry or bullion things. So how it is difficult for them to produce all the details.
But tell me something, this strike which is now, in Chennai, I've heard in various parts of the country, the jewelers have now shut their shutters down. What are you, because, this is not going to go away, Mr. Jain. So,
exactly. Agree, exactly. But somehow it is a token strike. We have mentioned it is a token strike. We have been fought for central excise. If you remember, it was for 45 to 50 days. And after all, we finalized, we won it. As we were continued, and lastly, it was being proposed that we'll be charging you 12%. From 12%, they came to 3% as a GST. So somehow it is there in our mindset that this was a token strike. Tomorrow, if government does not agree on HUID, we may continue.
Right. But I also want to know that you were hallmarking even earlier. It's not like but earlier you would do it in batches. Am I right? Now it is all come. Yeah. Go on, Mr. Jain. Tell us, explain.
Still, I didn't get your question, but what you mean to say is a hallmarking way. I agree. Still, I'm telling you the same thing. There are the jewelers, 4 lakh jewelers are there around India.
Right.
Out of that, organized jewelers are hardly 20 to 30 or 40%. Out of other 60% jewelers which are playing in the small scale, hardly 1 kg, 2 kg of gold they run. They are staying in a small street at the corner of the street.
Yeah.
So for them, it is very difficult to arrange entire HUID. They don't understand it. And sometimes when we see the customer also don't understand why we give Aadhaar card. When government is instructing, don't share our Aadhaar card numbers, this and that. And tomorrow they will come with the Aadhaar card. No, not possible for them. And it is their saving. And this is the saving just to protect them. Tomorrow they are not good with their husband, not good with their children. And that saving 50,000, 20,000, 40,000 gold if they buy, why they will give the details? Because that is already there.
Yeah.
It is suspense account. For them, they don't share with their husband also. Why they will share with us?
Mr. Jain, I'm also being joined by Dr. B. Govindan, who is chairperson of Bhima Jewelry in Tirunananthapuram. Dr. Govindan, namaskaram to you. Dr. Govindan, this whole HUID thing is very, very tedious because I see jewelers will have so much work now. You have to upload the 6-digit number. Also, more importantly, like Mr. Kumar Jain was just telling me, the privacy of the buyer is also exposed, no? Dr. Govindan.
Yeah, tell me this, yeah. Good afternoon. Tell me this, there are so much of problem if we implement the HUID, if we follow or implement the system, it will affect 90% of the jewelers throughout the country. See, previously, when hallmarking is given to the hallmarking centers, we will be getting about 1,000 to 1,200 pieces per day.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now it has been reduced to 100, 120 only.
Yeah. Yeah, earlier also, Dr. Govindan,
and also,
Dr.
6 days a week they are working.
Yeah.
3 days the software problems is also happening.
I know. Dr. Govindan, it was done in batches, no? Now suddenly everything coming together will increase a lot of your work. Am I right?
See, there are so much of problems are in the software. See, instead of the usual system, we had to mark 6 digits in the new system, and also your name is not included in the new system. That also so much of problems are happening in most of the jewelers in the country.
Right. Dr. Govindan, before I let you go, isn't this also very, very compromising on the buyer? Like if I come to buy to Bhima Jewelers, I'll have to give you all the details now. What about my privacy, Dr. Govindan?
See, here for me that is not a problem. But Bhima Jewelry is very famous throughout the country. But for the other dealers, see, even in this new system, your name is not inscribed in the new system.
True.
So people who are new jewelry, who are supposed to insert their name, if any customer asks for where is your name in the jewelry, means he can't say. It is not included in the new system.
Right.
That's the main problem.
Right.
Okay. And also during the season time, in Kerala, I am talking about this especially from Kerala, 5 to 10 kilos stocked by the main small dealers for the seasonal autumn season.
Right, Dr. Govindan. Dr. Govindan, I totally understand, not just jewelers in Kerala, but across are now protesting against this, but this is a token strike. Like a lot of jewelers are saying, let's wait and watch as to what the government has to say. Dr. Govindan, thank you so much for joining India Ahead and to speak about the HUID hallmarking problem which is facing jewelers across India.
Bosch Trumix Mixer Grinder wishes you all a happy Onam.